Seats and vibrate, nothing will happen.
हाँ ठीक है, कोई नहीं.
नहीं वो
हाँ, आपको दूर रखना पड़ेगा. वाइब्रेट पे है तो दूर रखना पड़ेगा
Okay,
आपको.
so then I'll put it on silent.
No. It's वो
So
जब कॉल
कनेक्शन
आता
की
है
वजह
तो
से
कोई नहीं फोन करेगा मेरे को.
तो वो एयरप्लेन मोड पे डाल दो.
नहीं एयरप्लेन मोड मत डाल, कोई नहीं, आप फोन दूर रख दो बस. माइक से दूर रख दो. That's it. That's all is needed.
Okay, then do one thing. हो गया बस, समझ लिया यार. I'm like a guy who fucking reads picture books to understand the story. Just put the phone near the swan, please. Thank you. Fuck.
We'll start.
Yes.
एक सेकंड.
अरे
Pepsi.
क्यों ऐड, हाँ तो क्यों ऐड दे रहे पेप्सी को? नीचे रख उसको.
नहीं
नॉट दैट पीपल डोंट नो व्हाट पेप्सी है, हमारे वीडियो देख के जान जाएंगे. अरे फक, ये क्या ड्रिंक है? But why do we do this anyway? That's what happened. That's because we are radio jockeys. We are very cautious
brand.
about the
Yeah,
कौन सा ब्रांड किसको प्रमोट कर रहे हैं वगैरह करके. Alright, do we start?
Yes.
हाँ.
On 3, 2, 1.
वेरी गुड.
Niladri, you know how he's sitting? Like you take वो शादी का रिश्ता पक्का करने जाते हैं ना, and the girl is just Niladri is just behaving like that. All right, here we go. Let's start. This is yet another episode of Normies. This time, as the other two times as well, we are shooting it from Kodai. We are not in Bengaluru. We are shooting here in Kodai. It's a beautiful house, Niladri's place.
या
And this time we are reacting to Indian advertisements because
Indian.
a lot of... No, sorry, beg your pardon. This time we are reacting to advertisements. Some of them are Indian, some of them are not Indian. And comment section में काफी लोगों ने बोला था कि यार advertisement. So we are reacting to this one. Okay, this is me, Shayan. I am hosting this episode. Joining me as Normie number 1, Rohan Karyappa, who is a radio jockey, who is a YouTuber, the owner of this channel, and his friends have described him mostly as an obnoxious pest. On the other hand, we've got Niladri Bose, a radio jockey, a voiceover artist, a YouTuber, and an ardent worshipper of nipples. He's a big fan of nipples. Caste, creed, color, sex doesn't matter. Nipples it is for Niladri. All right, now that we've introduced both of you. I wonder why you are coughing. What did you do?
It's a fantastic introduction.
Yeah,
I've never
very
been introduced like that ever in my life.
ardent worshipper of nipples.
Nipples.
Okay, up for grabs today. Taste of Coorg hamper. We've got.
What do we have?
Yeah. They've sent us. इसको क्या कहते हैं? एक सेकंड.
Good बोले ना.
बड़वा कजाया.
बड़वा खजा.
It's
Not
बड़ा
बड़वा
कजा.
कजाया. What do you call it? बड़वा. बड़ा कजाया.
बड़ा खजा.
And एक साथ ये भी है. ये दोनों. So I won both of these some time back.
हाँ.
And I binged on these like how. Okay, so this is called Coorg Kodbale.
कूर्ग कोड.
Sorry, Coorg Kodbale.
कितने टाइम से हम ये बता रहे हैं.
Sorry. Coorg Kodbale and Bada Kajaya. These are for grabs. Who will win it? Will it be Niladri?
No.
Will it be Rohan?
Yes.
We'll get to see.
Already over. The video is over.
Okay, आज हमारे पास 9 ads हैं.
Right.
And the questions are not कि किसमें कितने views हैं वगैरह. एक दो के वैसे हैं. बाकी ऐसा हो सकता है कि आप दोनों ही सही जवाब ना दो. In that case, suppose I'm telling you identify किस product का advertisements है, and product is suppose a pillow, and you are telling me it's of a tripod, and you are telling me it's of like a Buddha statue. You have to justify why you think a Buddha statue is the ad for this. You have to justify क्योंकि अगर आपने सही जवाब नहीं दिया, it depends on your justification, how creative it is, how funny it is, and that's how you get the points.
Awesome.
All right.
Awesome. Yeah.
Each right answer carries 2 points. Justification and creativity के साथ अगर आपने सही जवाब नहीं दिया तो it carries 1 point.
Awesome.
Okay.
Awesome.
All right.
Awesome.
Let's start with episode advertisement number 1.
Hi, Coca-Cola?
आप हमारे लकी कस्टमर हैं और आपको मिलती है एक कोका कोला फ्री, लेकिन आपको ये यहीं पीनी पड़ेगी।
ये क्या है?
Giving a girl an orgasm has never been
Yeah.
easier.
वो कोको कोला पी रहा है और उसके फेशियल एक्सप्रेशंस are like
She was feeling like,
She's stalking him with a video cam and all that, all zooming in and all that. I mean, I've never felt bad for Siddharth Malhotra ever, but in this ad, I really feel bad for him. I mean, what the fuck?
imagine if she does that to every customer. राजपाल यादव भी जा रहा है, उसको भी यही कर रही है.
Yeah, anyone, man. I mean, you gotta have a Coke, but in front of me.
that's what I'm thinking. What does our product mean to customers? There should have been a pitch meeting, no? Sir, product sir makes me happy. वो तो हो चुका है. Sir, it gives relaxation. वो तो हो चुका है. Orgasm देता है सर लड़कियों को. Let's go with that. Best है. Orgasm वाला करते हैं अपन. अच्छा रहेगा. Alright, so let's go with the question. Brand क्या है वो पता है आपको. Actor क्या है वो पता है आपको. Actress का नाम.
अरे
Oh, yeah.
The point is, I'll give you a hint. This lady has done a couple of movies as well. Actress का नाम क्या है आपको guess करना है. And the hint that you have, okay, you can't prompt it out. You have to write it down on a piece of paper.
Okay.
The actress's name is also the name of a planet in our solar system.
oh go for it. I'll think.
No, I also have to think. You don't need to push me into an answer where I say, hey, it's Uranus. And these planet names are in English or is it in Hindi?
हिंदी में हर एक प्लैनेट का नाम भी सेम ही होता है एक्सेप्ट अर्थ को पृथ्वी बोलते हैं शायद. बाकी मार्स को क्या हम
मंगल बोलते हैं.
मंगल बोलते हैं. सॉरी.
सबको अलग अलग बोलते हैं. बृहस्पति भी होता है.
Oh, हाँ, correct. I'm sorry, I take back those words. English.
This is in English.
अरे भाई ये क्या था नाम? नेपट्यून नाम रख दिया क्या बाबा? नेपट्यून कुमारी. नेपट्यून कुमारी इधर आओ.
Neptune तो नहीं हो सकता.
You never know, that might be the answer though.
हाँ आई थिंक मेरे को आंसर आ गया है.
ठीक है तो लिखो ना भाई.
Which fucker would have named his daughter a planet name? Sun तो नहीं है, Mercury तो नहीं
Sun
है.
is not a
Sun
planet.
is not a planet.
Planet.
Star
I'm
में
starting from the top. So Sun, then you have Mercury, then you have what do you have after Mercury?
I'm not going to give you any further clues. I know the whole solar system, but I'll not tell
I'm just
you.
asking you the planet names.
No, I'll not.
You
tell
can help him like that.
नहीं,
Yeah?
यार,
I mean, what?
come on यार, मेरी जनरल नॉलेज का कोई फायदा नहीं है फिर.
Okay, Rohan goes first. Tell me.
Venus.
Okay, आप.
Pluto.
Rohan is 1-0 up. The name of the actress is Venus Singh. Who would name their daughter Pluto Kumari? Why did you name
Pluto Bhattacharya. This is my daughter. Why
Pluto?
she's so fucking short that I had to name her that. So
And
she
also,
lives with that name.
उसका असली नाम प्लूटा है, इसलिए उसको बंगाली में प्लूटो.
Pluto. Oh!
Pluto.
Pluto.
All right, let's go with ad number 2. Sorry, quality bad is good.
Good morning, Jitu Lal. Good morning, Nay. Tapatap. Tapatap. Ah.
टपाटप.
हाय प्रिया. हाय नहीं, टपाटप. टपाटप.
Ah. Tapatap.
वो इसको सर को भी दे दिया.
लाइसेंस नहीं. टपाटप. टपाटप. हाय टपाटप.
सूछा टपाटप. सूछा टपाटप. सूछा टपाटप. सूछा टपाटप.
આછે ગારિયાદાર ગ્રુપનો ડિટર્જન્ટ સાબુ ટપાટપ. ટપાટપ એટલે કપડાના ડાઘા દૂર કરે ફટાફટ. સમજ્યા? ટપાટપ.
टपाटप. डिटर्जेंट साबु.
बेंचो ये कौन है?
कितना गंदा गाया हुआ एंड वाला पार्ट.
It reminds me of that person of the Diwali video. Tapata. Detergent sabun.
Inside joke.
अच्छा, I don't know.
अरे
अच्छा, sorry.
बट ये क्या ऐड बना दिया यार?
Dude, randomly gifting people fucking detergent soaps and saying at the end. You will be branded a terrorist in today's day and time. You can't just say, hey, tapatap. It could mean some explosion, an IED. I'm giving you a fucking IED. Go get yourself fucked now. And then you just write off. This is called casual terrorism. Just walk in and gift wrap your fucking, RDX. Yeah, tapatap. That's how it'll sound.
We should try that. The traffic police cops and all. When they stop it, you get stopped for whatever, drunk driving or whatever, not wearing helmets. Try gifting them a Synthol soap or something like that.
Good.
Synthol soap? And then you fucking drive off.
What kind of concept is this? कोई कुछ सोचा ही नहीं क्या?
I think it's
any scenario में आप ये फिट कर सकते हो फिर तो टपाटप.
No.
What is this? What is the product, by the way?
Detergent soap.
Detergent.
To clear, so tapatap. In those days, in those times, you had the.
I don't think it's too old, by the way.
No, it's pretty. See, when did the advent of washing machines in India actually stopped this little thing that we used to have in our house, which was a slamming stone, where we would keep up. The stone would be there, and we would slam it on that stone.
Yeah.
So tapatap is a sound from that.
Then they should have a tapak. But tapatap is not the sound.
Yeah. टपाटप तो नहीं. I don't.
Tapatap is the sound of tapatap is the sound of you hitting somebody's head in the back like a born person.
In Hindustani language, tapatap also means sex.
Tapatap. Thapak should be the name. Which clothes did you use to wear which made the sound tapatap?
I was just dispensing
information
and information from my time, but obviously youngsters don't give a fuck. And I like
what
this.
What if this guy comes to you
and says tapatap,
and then you say, what the fuck, tapatap? Then he says,
I'll just fucking headbutt him, he'll fall off, but I'll save that other lady.
What?
And I'll say, don't do this. Because you fucking suck while you do that. Yeah. You're riding me up.
Okay.
It's a hill station and you guys gotten me pissed off already.
Okay.
Question.
The question is, this soap is, this advertisement is from which state of India?
Oh, I think इसमें कोई इसका अच्छा idea हो सकता है. मैंने थोड़ा language ध्यान दिया.
Tricky one. I can only gauge from two things. The cop uniform. Okay. But however, that said,
I like the way you describe your thought process and then give the incorrect answer. like you're like Sherlock Holmes, but getting everything wrong.
Pluto.
Let's start with Niladri. What is the answer?
MP.
Okay, let's start. Good.
Is that right?
I will tell
Gujarat.
you. The answer is Gujarat. Rohan wins the second point as well.
कैसे पता यार गुजरात?
वो एक्सेंट से वैसे तो बात करते हैं. ए भाई कैसा है बे? सॉरी मैंने लास्ट 2 एपिसोड में पहले बंगाली एक्सेंट खराब किया. अब मैंने गुजराती भी खराब.
I don't think Gujarati accent is this at all.
It is.
You've got the worst.
क्या नीलाद्री भाई क्या कर रहे थे?
ये क्या है? I have Gujarati friends. They don't talk
Rohan,
like that.
Rohan, what is the British accent? Hello, ma'am. Good morning. This British accent, I've seen it.
अच्छा, Rohan यहाँ पे 2 Rohan 0 Niladri dal.
Okay, no, we're giving 2 points for the right answer without
So
any hints.
4-0.
So it's actually 4-0.
तो मैं जाऊँ? तो बेइज्जती करने के लिए मेरे को यहाँ पे बिठाया है तुम दोनों.
Okay,
That's
now
weird.
the third one say answers शायद interesting हो. Okay. However, the third one is a popular Indian ad. Both of you have seen it on television.
Okay.
And if you can recollect क्या ad है, then you win the points. If not, you have to give me descriptive answers or why you think this is the answer. This product is being advertised in this ad.
Cool.
All right. Ad number 3.
बुलाओ करती रहती हूँ, कभी अपने जानू की बात माना करो.
नरेश
नरेश सुरेश बहुत दिनों बाद कैसा है यार?
बस फर्स्ट क्लास।
ये क्या कर लिया? टोन बढ़ा लिया? अच्छा बहुत दिनों से तो घर नहीं आया, चल घर चल।
अभी यार नहीं, कुछ काम है।
अबे चलना यार, प्लीज घर चलना, चल
फिर कभी यार।
क्या फिर कभी? अभी चल। चल।
एक बार बोला ना चल मतलब चल। चल अंकल।
चल।
I have seen it, but I don't remember.
Yeah,
this.
same here. I don't remember.
Like two guys just meet up and just laugh for about a minute
Before
and then
things get intense.
Yeah, then they hug, their bellies bang against each other, and he says, "Hey, dude, you got a fucking belly. I got a belly too." And what's your name? Naresh and Suresh. The only fuckers missing is Ganesh.
No, they're old friends. I think. They're old friends.
They're old friends. Don't hug your knee and all like that.
Yeah.
Trying to control your.
It was a nice deduction,
Yeah.
but a wrong one.
Okay.
We can compliment the
So,
niceness of the deduction.
I think where it's going, the product in question could be.
You write it down.
But since we should not jump the gun, there's
Yeah.
3B.
Rohan, write it down first.
No, but there's 3B.
3B is
as
the
well.
answer. 3B is the answer.
Oh, 3B is the answer.
Yeah, correct. 3B, I'll tell you what the product is. Rohan,
Don't touch. Oh, that's a pen.
हाँ, pen भी नहीं दे रहे हो यार.
Zero.
हाँ, go for it, go for it.
Asian Paints.
Okay, you.
LIC.
Okay, both of you are incorrect. This makes it interesting. Let's see. And pick one. Okay, all right. We'll start with you, Rohan. Why do you think Asian Paints is the ad?
Because Asian Paints इनके घर पे कराने के बाद the घर became so beautiful that now they want everyone else to see their house and feel कि यार कितने हाई क्लास के लोग हैं, कितना अच्छा रॉयल पेंट करवाया है, ओहो इस पे तो हम पानी से भी साफ कर सकते हैं दाग. That's my answer for Asian Paints.
Why LIC?
LIC,
The weirdest fucking.
Sometimes when you're having lunch alone or a meal alone and a couple approaches you and it's an old friend and the couple are, did what they did, and then suddenly the wife of that couple puts a knife and says, "Get the fuck into my car." You know there's certain death. and with death, the family of Naresh or Suresh need money. LIC. Sudden death policy. क्यों यार? That is what I thought यार. आपने भी बोला ना एशियन पेंट्स घर दिखाने के लिए आ जाओ.
Sudden death policy. Okay, now see, my decision is the final here. All right. The point is, Rohan, your explanation was very close to reality. It was not the reality.
plywood का था क्या?
मैं बताता हूँ. But Niladri, your answer was the most creative one. LIC sudden death policy. So though Rohan, you were close to reality, I would not give this point to you. I would give the point to Niladri.
Thank you.
1 point.
1 point you get. The answer was Green Lamp Laminates. They are taking people to their home to show कि क्या मस्त ऐसा furniture है. Rohan, you were right
You were close,
that way.
yeah.
But Niladri का answer बहुत creative था. So 4-1. Let's check out 3B though. The answer.
Okay.
अच्छा है ना?
दिखाने का जी करे.
What a psycho friend, bro. अच्छा है ना? It's like,
Okay, we'll go with the fourth one. Is the most creative question
okay.
that I think. Okay, I don't know if any of you guys have seen this ad.
It's him.
What?
No, I made it dark.
What?
Okay, now the reason I made it dark is because you know that ads sometimes have a twist,
Yeah.
right? So what happened in that dark part, do you think? for the
Nice.
ad to end with Harley Davidson respect.
Nice. I like this. It's a fucking mind joggler. It's good. Though I have no fucking clue.
Like every other answer.
To make things interesting, here I might change the number of points you get for descriptive answers as well. Okay, go for it. What do you think happened in that dark part of the video? Dark
तो
part.
वो जाता है, लड़की बैठी होती है सेक्स,
हाँ.
तो वो ऐसे नीचे झुकता है और दोस्त को वो जो लड़का होता है उसको
निकाल
ऐसे निकालता है, बोलता है ब्रोज बिफोर होर्स. तो ये दोनों हार्ले डेविडसन में जाते हैं.
Bros before hoes. Okay.
Nice one.
Okay. हाँ.
What I feel is he goes and approaches the girl just as he's going to make out with that girl, and that's when you blackened it out. And he goes to make out with her, and she thinks he's about to make out with him, but he reaches out for something else, which is the keychain for the Harley Davidson.
वो जो बाहर से वो
And then he just walks out, and you're not really worth it. I just saw you making out with another man. I'm a fucking Harley boy.
I have a question. वो हार्ले से ही आया था. तो
Correct.
क्या इवेपोरेट होके उसके रूम में चला गया क्या की?
No, dude, screenplay. I mean, I don't know, man. I didn't direct this one. I'm just watching it. It's my opinion.
But your logic doesn't make sense. How will he? If he takes out the key,
So 5-1.
you want to go again?
ये अलग चीटिंग चलती है यहाँ
No,
पे.
I'm saying logic doesn't make sense.
That
No,
is
I thought he was
every
just
time.
gonna make out.
LIC डेथ का लॉजिक बहुत था क्या?
So he just took the key.
Yeah. It's like I'm coming like how you used to do. Remember? You never knew whether to hug or handshake. It's like, मैं क्या करूँ? bencho? Oh man, my mind is working too fast. bencho. Oh, अच्छा.
So you used to shake hand like he's closed the business deal with that girl.
So it's just like it's one of the moments.
Or do you think probably the lady, as he goes in to have sex with the lady just salutes him because that's how it comes Harley Davidson respect. No, I'm just saying.
Just imagine all women around the world, they just salute their husbands like that before making out. I mean,
If this was Indian ad, the lady would have touched his feet and all, just like this before making out.
No,
because
but-
respect.
No, but what was in the dark part?
Yeah.
The answer is in the second part of the video.
Bobby. फिर से dark कर दिया.
What the fuck?
Oh shit, वो भी dark है क्या? Oh shit, sorry. वो भी नहीं लगा.
Respect. So I think we both deserve points.
No. Sorry.
Because for the
There's
first
a mistake.
time,
There's a mistake.
First time, the host has made a mistake.
बताओ.
We deserve points.
नहीं.
क्यों?
मैं
You're anyway fucking 4. No, I'm 1.
आप बताओ क्या था? आप बताओ.
Okay, so we will put the. I will give you the
You
original
have
one.
to just take his word for it.
No, I'll
Yeah.
show you the original one. The idea is that the man whom the lady was actually making out with before this came in is the husband, and he hides because it's Harley Davidson, and the respect is there.
Oh.
Massive.
That's
nasty.
creative, creative,
That's nasty.
creative.
Nice one.
All right, but this was the most creative question. Everything will be downhill from here on.
Yeah. So no, but
Points कितना हो गया? ऐसे improv चल रहा है points यहाँ का.
5-1.
5-1.
guess none of us won it, right?
He
My
his
descriptive
description was
answer was
more
better.
sensible than you, who said that this guy has come in on a Harley Davidson,
And then
he
grabs the keys. of
grabs
Harley
the keys again from the ladies behind, unless he has multiple.
हाँ, चलो. क्या कह रहे थे?
So your answer was it made sense quite a bit, but just because I had said Rohan, so it's
5-1.
5-1. All right, this is number 5.
Just imagine the life of us together, we two. Just imagine all of our dreams coming true. Just imagine everything that we're gonna do. Yeah, just imagine every day it's just me and you. Just imagine.
What the fuck was this यार? इसका ये किस चीज का ऐड हो सकता है? लड़की भी कर रहे थे एंड में.
नहीं, लेकिन अगर आप देखो तो there's one curly hair.
Wait, let Rohan answer first, and then you give your description. What's the product that the ad is for?
It's a toughie, man.
I know. That's why I put it there.
It's a very tough.
That's what she said line. It's a toughie. That's why I put it there.
That's what she said. तेरा तो tough ही है. Look,
Yeah,
let's-
most people's are hard.
Yeah.
Mine is tough.
Yeah.
It's different. It's durable. It can experience wear and tear.
Yeah, it's got bullet marks and all that.
Scratch proof.
Yeah. Okay, so let's analyze this for once. Let's work together.
Yes, we'll
Okay,
do that.
you anyway winning this.
I
All
know.
right. The hamper's yours. Now let's work together. Now
Okay.
the ad opened up with a lady in the office having the banana while
In a very sensual way, not a regular.
Yeah, she was eating
Nahi,
a banana.
nahi.
No, she was eating a banana just working.
Okay.
There was a pervert on the other side. who was
Rohan's
taking
mind,
a-
right? You get a peek into Rohan's mind like this.
Yeah.
If a lady is eating banana, he thinks it's
नहीं,
sensual.
because it's shown like that. एकदम slow motion में saxophone बज रहा है पीछे.
So, no, ad
that
वो
is-
पीछे
that is
lady
the
is
music.
eating
Yeah.
banana normally, no?
Yeah, she's eating it normally.
Okay.
ऐसे कोई खाता है क्या? No, so she's eating it normally. One
Okay.
pervert is on the other side
Okay.
taking a
Okay.
printout, and he's looking, and then this. Then couple of more banana scenes happening. People eating bananas and tennis players. But mere direction goes to that lady who comes out of the elevator. The curly haired lady, and there's a cyclist who comes in with a helmet.
Okay.
And he comes in, she's about to eat the banana, but she doesn't eat the banana. Why? Is there an odd one? Why is
when
an
we'll
odd
see
one
the
out?
answers,
Why is
when
an
we'll
odd
see
one
the
out?
answer, we'll find out जो आपने अभी तक बोला ना, had no relevance.
No, I'm.
But okay, go for it, guys. Can you answer it?
अच्छा.
Fucking के 2 घंटे के एपिसोड शूट करेंगे क्या?
So this is Goa tourism ad.
Okay, why Goa tourism ad? You don't have to write down it, as you can see.
Because this banana will give you a crazy ride. Banana ride.
Oh.
And like you'll enjoy. It'll be a nice, wholesome feeling. That's why.
All right, Niladri, you go ahead.
ज़्यादा time नहीं दे सकते आप.
हाँ. Did you freeze or?
No, I'm
okay.
just trying to think. No.
Often go into the Samsung phone mode. Huh.
It's whoa, we just busted.
Yeah.
So that's okay. We are busting a lot of ads here. Huh.
Waiting. Still waiting.
Mouth fresheners.
Mouth fresheners. Okay. Why?
A banana is a fruit which is not like an apple,
Right.
or for that matter, an orange.
Right, that's a fact. It's a fact right there. Oh, sorry. sorry.
So, यहाँ पे रखा है क्यों?
Oh my!
क्यों रखा है?
Sherlock Bose. Anyway, go ahead.
So, an apple actually kind of crustifies inside your mouth and it goes in. It's all washed in. While a banana sticks sometimes to your palate because of the consistency of the fruit. And when everyone's fucking just chomping on bananas in this ad, it's going to come to something like, hey, banana could be your best friend. Okay. But you need to clean your mouth as well.
So you thought that everybody's looking at them like, oh fuck, they haven't cleaned their mouth and eaten bananas?
No.
Yeah, so the pervert was thinking, shit,
No.
इसको नहीं पटाऊंगा, इसके
No,
मुंह से बास आती है.
so basically, whoever's eating bananas need to have good dental hygiene.
Okay.
What?
Bananas.
ठीक है, it's
No, I'm just trying to
लॉजिक मत
understand.
पूछो, बहुत अजीब लॉजिक मिल रहे हैं आज.
It's not right or wrong. It's the answer which makes it funnier.
हाँ,
Descriptive.
बताओ.
मैं बोल दिया
अच्छा,
भाई,
बता.
banana बोल दिया.
So bananas require a clean mouth to be eaten.
After eating a banana, a clean mouth is required.
Acha.
That's why mouth fresheners.
That's why mouth fresheners after eating a banana. But then why the pervert angle to it?
No, the guy who was trying to take a printout kind of imagine, oh my god, imagine thinking something else would replace that banana.
Okay, and again, judge's decision is final. I'm going to give 2 points to you because your answer is funnier.
You're winning it. You're
I'm
5-1.
5-3.
Though his answer was more logical that way. What did you answer? Forgot.
Goa tourism.
But your answer was very fucked up and funnier that way. So 2 points to you.
What
is the product?
5-3. Check this 5B.
5B.
Just imagine the sky that would
Best way to eat bananas.
To drink them.
Oh, jeez.
It's a fruit drink.
Nice. Superb, Jan. Superb.
जिंदगी में नहीं guess कर पाता. It was nice.
Well done.
बहुत अच्छा है.
All right.
It's
Here we
not
go.
easy. It's not. This
Here
is
we
nice.
go. Okay.
6A.
Number 6. Yeah, 6A. This is a very popular ad. This is going to be easy one for you guys.
Jesus Christ.
Okay. Okay.
I mean,
Okay.
the thing is,
It's a very popular ad.
see, ek to, okay, forget about the answer, but to react to this, you both are not married, okay? But I know one thing, that on the night of the first night, none of you are going to behave like this. You don't jump in. It's not a pool that you go in, and you know, there is a lot of things that come into play, and sometimes those things take time. So he deserves his balls getting nutsacked by the pillar of the bed for acting like a fucking bhikari. That bancho, the jump.
So that might be because he's a virgin at the time of his marriage. Let's analyze the character of the guy.
Yeah.
It might be that he's a virgin at the time of his marriage.
But
and
still,
the first time he sees that opportunity. He's always been a good person. And now today is the day.
शायन इस कैरेक्टर में अपने आप को देख रहा है थोड़ा
He's feeling it.
He's feeling the emotion.
मैं अगर कूदूंगा तो इस side of the bed से कूदूंगा. I won't go past the pillar of the bed.
Yeah, so this is also educational for people.
I mean, look at this lady. She's like seducing him. Come on, and he fucks it all up, bro. Rohan.
Yeah, imagine the lady telling her friends next morning that his balls are busted and it was bleeding. The girls would be like, what the fuck did you do? Can we do that to our husbands?
Rohan will be very careful. He'll come with a pole vault. वो पोल लेके आएगा वहां से डाइनिंग रूम से
will be like, any bed which has edges, I'm not doing it there. It has to be on the ground. No edges anywhere. Nothing which could get my private.
I'll do a backflip. Light चलेगी सर पे चोट लग के दिमाग खराब हो जाए ठीक है. Can make do with a damaged brain.
Right.
Okay.
What do you think is the ad is for?
I think it's light bulbs.
Okay, why?
Or actually, why would it be light bulbs? The electricity got knocked off in the room, which means there could be a power problem. So I think this could be a voltage stabilizer.
Voltage stabilizer. Okay.
That we're talking about, because without this, your electricity fluctuations could take a beating, and in a point of time when your dick is so fucking hard, since you've never seen a pussy in your life, and you're making that fucking jump like, you know, whatever, PT Usha or whatever, and you fuck it all up.
Runner.
It's whatever.
I think he is a jumper like
she's a
PT
great
Usha.
athlete. So I think that's where the current goes off and says, hey, if you want to make a better jump, get a better voltage stabilizer.
Okay, you?
Yeah, so मेरा explanation है कि if you don't put proper wires, तो short circuit हो जाएगा, and in the middle of the jump अगर short circuit होके light गई घर की, तो आप हड़बड़ा के your dick can land up in places where you don't want it to land up, and that can damage your future generations.
All right. I will give winner 2 points. I will give winner 2 points because they almost got it right, the winner. And that is Niladri.
It's
5-5. Almost got it right because this is an ad for V-Guard inverters.
Voltage stabilizer.
Yeah, you almost got it right. And I gave both of you, Rohan, you can't complain that I'll be partial because I gave both of you a chance to reconsider your answers.
Up, bro? What's up? How's it going?
It's good. It's going to be 5-5.
So good.
All right, we'll go to number 7, and this is another cringe ad. Let's go for it.
मैं आपको फोन कर रही हूँ, कोई देख रहा है मुझे. बचाओ!
No one wants to save her.
The way she's screaming, I don't think anyone would want to save her.
कोई है, प्लीज मुझे बचाओ, प्लीज मुझे कुछ भी मत करो, प्लीज.
अब कितना भगाई गया अम्मा. अरे तेरे को कुछ भी करने नहीं आए. वो तेरे हाथ में जो मोबाइल है वो कहाँ से लाए बोल के पूछने के वास्ते आए।
ये फोन तो खुबा मोबाइल से ली।
खुबा मोबाइल?
जी हाँ, तशरीफ लाइए खुबा मोबाइल, बी बाजार, मुगलपुरा, हैदराबाद.
Your contemporary
Okay, let's
voice
talk
over.
about your TV subscriptions. What fucking channels are you watching?
I must clear it out that today's videos, the one that I've gathered, almost every single thing has been suggested by you guys. I put out a story on Instagram asking people for recommendations. A lot of you had put out these recommendations. Kuba Mobiles, Tapatup had been suggested by 2-3 people. So thank you so much. You made my job easier. I was tensed कि एक रात में मैं सब videos compile कर पाऊंगा कि नहीं. So all of these have been suggested by Instagram people who follow the three of us.
Superb stuff. Superb.
So yes, thank you so much. You guys made this episode happen. But Kuba Mobiles. My point is, they could have fucking asked the lady right in the beginning. The person making the ad thought कि इसमें ना ज़्यादा rape वाला angle है. It's not enough rape वाला angle. Let's keep the danger.
चीखती हुई लड़की को पूरे शहर में घुमाएंगे, उसके बाद बताएंगे.
Yeah.
After every shot, the ladies, अब हो गया ना बेस्ट अब नहीं आपको और चीखना है और भागना है. So, like why will, like, how come this ad is not reported as yet?
But look at it, Shine. 4 bikes come together. Like they're not Doom or something. Like all of them are coming together. They come together, and this girl just thinks that, oh my God, 4 people on 4 bikes.
Yeah.
Means
And you know what's the best part? वो जब गर्ल भागती है, तो उसका पीछा करने के लिए अपनी सुपर बाइक्स को पार्क करके खुद पैदल भागते हैं.
Yeah. Like,
what the fuck was that?
They don't trust the 1000cc ninjas or anything. They said, okay, we are fat fucks. Let's just fucking make a dash for it. Did you see the guy who was leading the charge?
Yeah.
And the girl is running like this. Who runs like this? You run like this, right? That's why when you run like this, you have to say bachao, bachao, because you're not.
They shot the ad. They shot the ad on Kuba Mobiles itself, I guess. ज़्यादा तेज भागोगे मैम, वो लैग हो रहा है हमारे कैमरा में. आपको धीरे-धीरे भागना है. हम लोग एडिट में थोड़ा स्पीड अप कर देते हैं.
ऐसे लोकल एड्स जो होते हैं रेडियो पे भी जो हम बजाते हैं, उसमें क्लाइंट की एक डिमांड होती है कि जब मोबाइल की एड हम बोल रहे हैं, से दैट मोबाइल का नाम 4 बार कंटिन्यूसली. हाँ. ये क्या है? ये मोबाइल कुबा मोबाइल है. वो कुबा मोबाइल है. फिर पीछे भी बोलेंगे कुबा मोबाइल है. एंड देन वॉइस ओवर से कुबा मोबाइल. जाइए आज ही खरीदिए कुबा मोबाइल. एंड द होल एड हैज दैट कुबा मोबाइल का.
And then a voiceover comes in, and the guy, whoever is giving the voiceover, is such a great voice, but they've made it the worst possible way they could have. Like Mahabharat Ramayana ka.
आज ही खरीदिए कुबा मोबाइल.
अरे हाँ.
They've got the emotions mixed up. It's like, let's get let's get horny, a little sensuous. What are you fucking selling? A mobile, you can't.
Alright, so this is going to be one of those questions because इसमें ज़्यादा कुछ था नहीं मेरे पास पूछने को. So we will go in with the number of views this ad has on YouTube.
78K.
Okay, you?
350K.
Niladri, you get 2 points here. 38,202 people have seen this video on YouTube.
I'm not going to win it, but it's so good that at least, in the game, I'm ahead. It just makes the whole thing more, So it's 7-5.
Rohan's more competitive spirit is at the highest right now. Okay, this is, this is ad. काफी लोगों ने मुझे बोला था Japanese, Korean ads. I think this is a Thai ad or a Japanese ad. One of the two.
Nice. Very nice.
Guess the product, guys.
It's a Wonder Bra.
Wonder Bra.
Push-up bra.
Okay, justify your answer. Let's start with you. Why push-up bra?
आपसे पूछ.
Because incorrect है बाबा, तो इसीलिए.
अच्छा, incorrect है क्या दोनों का ही? हाँ. Can we change the answers?
Who are not.
I've told you bras are incorrect. Either you can choose to justify your answer creatively, or you can
So
choose to
let's
go with another
deduce it
answer.
first. Let's deduce it and see whether we can land up in the product. Let's help each other.
True.
2 women are in the restroom. They are,
But then you're giving a creative answer to Rohan here.
No, that's okay. I don't mind losing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, because anyway, I'll take that lovely taste of cool camper and go back, whether he wins it or not. So the thing is, 2 women, powdering up in the loo, both not very good in shape.
Yeah.
One woman is with a lipstick, she's doing what she's doing. Another woman walks in and she starts pushing her stomach, which she's not happy with.
Yeah.
And pushes it so much that it becomes part of her breasts.
Yeah.
Okay, she does this and walks out. This woman looks up and says, "What the fuck was that all about? What could that product be that this woman could also use?" Which is the second woman.
Things came from here till here. The breasts increased.
I think I have my.
Okay, go ahead.
This is gym subscription.
Gym subscription.
हाँ.
Okay, why
For
gym?
example, अगर वहाँ का कोई गोल्ड जिम होता होगा वैसा. So ये एक लू में खड़े हैं, ठीक है. This girl does it and वो पतली हो जाती है and she is properly proportionate. Let's put it that way. ठीक है. And यार एक तो ठीक है. तो नीचे एक मैसेज लिखा आता है, दिस डज नॉट हैपन टू एवरीवन. मतलब इस लड़की ने तो ऐसे करके कर लिया, आपके साथ नहीं होगा. आपको करनी पड़ेगी मेहनत, लगाना पड़ेगा जोर. तो आइए हमारे गोल्ड जिम में.
अच्छा.
और जोर लगा के.
Okay, what do you think, Bilaji? What is the product, and give me an answer for that.
When you have saggy tits, they all go down, and they become part of your stomach and your navel and all, because they're just right there. You literally, it's in your jeans pockets. It's just so saggy and it's just blur. So, but if you wear this kind of a bra, those saggy tits could become perky ones. The Wonder Bra by Victoria's Secret.
1 minute of silence for this explanation. That gross.
Just have to
Victoria's Secret ads. Saggy ones can become perky. Okay, I'm going to give Rohan 1 point for this. I'm going to give you 0.5 because your explanation was creative and funny. But Rohan gets 1 point for being closer to the reality.
Which is?
The check 8B है क्या?
Probiotic.
Some slim drink.
So this is actually a slimming drink.
Nice.
Right. So
Nice.
Rohan being close to the one gets 1 point. You get 0.5 for being creative.
7.5 is to 6.
7.5 is to 6. You've got 1 left.
Decider.
And
Please win, Rohan. Please win.
I will.
Yeah.
And
I just want you to.
I will win.
Always
Don't worry.
feel that you want.
I will.
Okay, let's go for this one.
Go for it.
Another cringe ad. This has been suggested to me by one of your Pakistani YouTubers. He says, big cringe alert from Pakistan. Okay, by the way, guys, before we go ahead with the last video, you have not been subscribing. Most of the times our viewers or whatever, the number of views that we get on YouTube are much more than the subscribers.
Yeah.
So in case you like our videos, subscribe. It just helps us. It keeps us motivated. नहीं तो कौन without rewards काम करना चाहेगा? I'm just saying, if you like this, what we do, just subscribe.
वाओ, तो फिर हो जाए. पहले मैं जाऊंगा. श्योर. प्लीज सुनिए.
जी,
मैंने पहले आपको कहीं देखा है.
लड़कियों पे लाइन मारते हो? अभी बताती हूँ तुम्हें.
अब मैं जाता हूँ.
Planet of the Apes.
चिकन चीज पराठा या कड़क चाय?
वो भी पप्पू टी स्टॉल फोर्ट स्क्वायर मॉल से.
पप्पू टी स्टॉल फोर्ट स्क्वायर मॉल.
या
चले?
श्योर.
पप्पू टी स्टॉल के चिकन चीज पराठा एंड कड़क चाय, गोलगप्पे, आइस कोला, चिकन सुप्रीम सैंडविच एंड सब्स चाय.
मैं तो पप्पू टी स्टॉल जा रहा हूँ. एक्सक्यूज मी, आप भी?
पप्पू टी स्टॉल
इस बंदे को मैं जानता हूँ, मैंने ये पूरी ऐड देखी नहीं थी, मैं इस बंदे को जानता हूँ. ही इज अपेरेंटली आई थिंक ओनर ऑफ अ वेरी पॉपुलर फॉर बैड रीजंस पॉपुलर एड एजेंसी, और उसका सिग्नेचर है ये. आप भी ऐसा करके
एक्सक्यूज मी,
आप भी
And
like
who
a guy walks out of his wife's bedroom. Excuse me.
Excuse me नहीं है वो. Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
You should have made for Axe deodorants.
Is ये पाकिस्तानी और बांग्लादेश?
पाकिस्तानी बंदे ने लिखा था. I mean, he told me, the guy told वो हाँ, और लाहौर लिखा था. And Hassan Studios one ऐसा करके कुछ तो एक है.
ये हसन ही
है. That is the one. But कैसा लगा आपको ये?
Planet of the Apes.
I mean, when he's approaching that woman, no? Yeah. Really, I mean, all he needed to do was this, and it would have been perfect. But yeah, I mean,
that's the best pickup line that we've witnessed.
क्या?
पराठा और क्या था?
पराठा.
कड़क चाय.
So, क्या मतलब?
This is giving people wrong image about Pakistani women.
Yeah,
that they're so beautiful, they're so graceful. That all you need to do is tell them. You can't tell them, "Hey, let's take you out for a drink," or "Let's take you out."
And you don't.
Paratha and kadak chai.
Pakistani women are also pretty classy, so you don't approach them with this. I mean, you know. And
what would you have approached Pakistani women if you had to woo a Pakistani women? If in terms of a dish, what would you have taken them out for?
I wouldn't have wooed them with food because, you know, there's other ways to do it. But if I was to woo a Pakistani woman, I would ask her to come with me and enjoy the Swat Valley. Which is the Switzerland, which is the Switzerland of.
There is a lot of unrest in that valley, though.
Yeah, no.
That's why I'm taking you there.
No, not like that. It's a beautiful place, and I love Pakistani salwar wear. I mean, they have their salwars,
right?
Whatever.
Pakistan में सलवार कमीज लड़के दोनों पहन सकते हैं.
हाँ.
Yeah.
So what would you have approached a Pakistani woman with if you had to woo?
React करो. React करो. अरे यार react करो. क्या यार react करो.
नहीं, I would approach them with a fake accent.
You can just do the Pakistani accent. It will be a fake accent anyway. Considering your expertise with accents. Considering.
How's the Pakistani accent? Power-area. क्या हाल है आपके? किसी एक इंसान को देखकर मैंने पूरे स्टीरियोटाइप कर लिया. नहीं, मैंने देखा एक पाकिस्तानी लड़की ऐसी बात करती है. हर कोई ऐसे ही बात करेगा.
Hey man, but we love you man. Everyone in Pakistan. Yeah.
All right, so
question क्या है? This is a papu stall तो पता ही.
Okay, the question मैंने उसका आंसर पहले बता दिया, इसलिए मैंने क्वेश्चन चेंज कर दिया. मैं सोचा था पूछूंगा इसके व्यूज कितने हैं. ये क्वेश्चन नहीं है, just take a guess.
Is that the question for the points?
I'm saying take a guess.
No, I'm not going to exercise my brain.
This
is the last question. He's just testing me.
No. The reason
test.
Okay.
1 over to go 4 runs to win. Do yo-yo test.
Okay. The reason is I told this answer by mistake a while back.
We didn't get it. We were just talking about random stuff, like we always do.
Guess कर.
250K.
अच्छा आप बोलो.
1.8 lakh.
1.8 lakh. Okay. Both of you are incorrect by far. Okay, I will tell you.
What's the right answer?
I'll tell you later. I'll tell you इसके YouTube subscribers कितने हैं Hassan Studio के. 4.54K. What you have to tell me is इस बंदे के Instagram followers कितने होंगे? Let me remind you, the score line right now is 7.5 to 6. If Rohan answers this correctly, he takes the hamper by 0.5 points.
Insta followers gain करना easy होता है because these things go viral.
Shut the fuck up. Don't do all that.
मैंने आपको एक आंसर बताया था इससे पहले.
All right, go for it. Rohan, you start.
1.5K.
1.5K. आप क्या?
That's 1,500.
हाँ.
46K.
वो बताओ, आंसर बताओ.
Rohan wins this hamper.
What's the answer?
Taste of Coorg. He wins
8, 7.5.
8 and 7.5.
What's the answer?
955 followers on Instagram.
इतना खराब क्यों है यार?
I repeatedly told you YouTube पे से 4,500 subscribers है. He makes
4,500 subscribers is good.
On YouTube.
Not funny Ron पे कितने? एक second. Not funny Ron पे कितने subscribers हैं?
अभी?
हाँ. 28,000.
Okay.
Do you consider these subscribers आप हम तीनों के हैं?
ठीक
है ना? आपके कितने followers Instagram पे?
छोड़ो.
हाँ, छोड़ो. That's a good idea.
कम है ना? नहीं. हाँ. उससे कम है ना YouTube से?
Because I don't like. I'm a private.
So also you have to consider that this format of these videos will not work on Instagram at all.
Yeah.
These are ads which will work better on YouTube.
But good one, Shine. I think the compilation was
Nice.
fantastic.
Good.
And इसके YouTube views of this video were 31,584.
अच्छा वो जो टी-शर्ट प्रिंट करने वाला है, just
As
ये
Rohan,
हारेगा.
as Rohan says, muscle memory.
Sit on the left side, pass the Taste of Cool hamper.
अभी Instagram में वो बंदा मैसेज करेगा.
Taste. Hey, give me this one. I'll do with this thing. Taste of Coorg. What Niladri can't get, you can. Order. Link description link
in description.
Link in description. Sorry. Alright, so how was it?
अभी वो Instagram
बहुत सही.
अभी वो Instagram वाला मेरे को मैसेज करेगा.
क्या?
बकचोदी हो गया, आगे बढ़ो.
Hey, we were thinking हम लोग 50k subscribers पे we will print out t-shirts.
And 100k पे we'll make a music video.
Yeah.
है ना?
That'll be cool.
Rap music video, self diss. Rap music video.
अलग ही करेंगे.
तो भाई सब्सक्राइब करो.
इससे पहले कि आप हमें बदनाम करो, हम खुद अपने को बदनाम करेंगे.
And that self diss would be better than any other diss जो दूसरे पे निकालते हैं. We'll diss properly अपने आप को, ठीक है?
Absolutely.
इतना प्रॉमिस नहीं करते हम. Rohan can. I don't make that promise at all.
नहीं.
I don't think Niladri does.
Point is subscribe. ये क्या है? हमारा हर वीडियो 1 लाख से ऊपर जा रहा है. You're not subscribing. Either तो हमारे viewers इतने अच्छे हैं कि 5 बार देख रहे हैं एक वीडियो को.
And also we've traveled so much of a distance. We've crossed into another state
just to have fun.
Just to make sure that you could watch these videos.
We could have done that in Bangalore. We are having fun here.
Also this amazing background.
Yeah, we came all the way for this.
And we imported this background from Thailand.
No, it's from Indonesia.
Thailand. Indonesia. Bali.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
A very good lineup, यार. बहुत सही.
And clever.
Amazing.
I liked it because it was very clever in the whole thing. The whole application of Justify.
That's a new angle.
That's a new angle.
Thank you.
Which is damn cool.
Big shout out to each and every person who's suggested me these videos on Instagram. Thank you so much. You guys made my job a lot easier. And of course, you can follow us on Instagram. We will be available there for
Link
all
in
your
description.
galis. Yeah, for all your galis.
Yeah.
Or for whatever.
Always available for all the guys.
Yeah.
If we can run a campaign
absolutely
against our video, even better.
Yeah.
We need more engagement.
And this is not a real gun.
It's not a real gun.
Okay, complain कर दे.
Fuck. थोड़ा सा सुसु निकल गया. Anyway.
चलो.
All right. See you. Bye bye.
Okay.
Super.
Great.
Great.
यार आप must host हो यार.
मस्त मचा.
आप creative host हो एकदम.